welcome again to this channel. So I started with my Mega Growth Living Conditioner, and I love to apply it on my hair before brushing it out because it makes it very easy for me to run my comb through the hair. So I'm just generously applying it. I recently relaxed my hair, so it's looking very sleek and beautiful, if I do say so myself. So I'm just creating the pattern for the hair. I really love center pattern, and I just started it in the center parts. So I'm using this hair band to pack my hair at the back. So I've been loving this low bun lately. Like, I've been really in love with low bun, and I just went in with this styling gel to just lay the hair slick a little. I used a very little quantity because, like I said earlier, my hair is recently relaxed, and so it doesn't need so much to make it sleek. And I went in with my brush, my hair brush, and I'm just brushing out the strand so everything is looking very neat. Afterwards, I went in with I just started weaving the tip of the hair like this because I want to just wrap my hair inside before I start using the extension. So I just wrapped it into that band I used in wrapping my hair from the beginning. And this is the extension I'm using. I really don't know the name of this hair. It was just one packet hair I got a long time ago, and I just found it in my cupboard, and I was like, why don't I just do this DIY? I mean, something very easy peasy, And so this is how I secured the hair to my hair, like the extension. This is how I secured the extension to my hair. I use this band. I used rubber band at first, and then I take a part of the hair and just wrap it, just the way you're seeing it. Just wrap the band on the hair, not forgetting to wrap the hair weft as well, like that's thin strip that's holding the extension. Then I go in with that band that I've knotted already to the hair weft, and I just wrap it around the hair, and with that I just start wrapping the extension around my hair. I hope you understand what I just said, guys. But yeah, I went in again with the last strand, like with a band on the last strand of the hair, just as I did in the beginning, and then I just knotted it. I would prefer a very thin band is used, like a black rubber band, better still, than what I used, but I didn't find one, so I just used this, make do with what I have rather. And yeah, I just tied it around the hair, and that is it, guys. I hope my explanation is very easy, but yeah, this is what it's looking like. So wrapping the hair around it is going to make sure that that band doesn't come up or show, so see how flawless and beautiful it's looking. I love the fact that it looks so much like my hair. So I'm going to be doing my edges with this what's it called, the styling gel. I use the Soulmate styling gel, and then my hair wax. I don't like to use just hair wax on my edges because it normally gives this white cast, and then when I use just the normal styling gel, it's just not enough. It doesn't do the work. It doesn't last rather. So I love to mix both of them, just the way you see me mix it in the video. And yeah, I just go with my toothbrush and I style my edges like you're seeing. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching and learn from this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up down below if you enjoyed watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you are yet to, and I'd love to see you in my next and other videos. Until then, stay beautiful and blessed. Bye, guys.